The way you think about photography when you start using flash instead of natural light needs to change, right? You're not only using flash to light your subjects anymore. You're using flash creatively. You're using flash to deliver something unique. You're using flash to create accents around the subject and to hide other stuff that you don't want on the scene. That's crucial when you're creating, when you're doing flash photography. And I say this, and I say this, I think, every live, and I keep saying this. I'm not hating on natural light photographers, not at all. I said this last week. I shot a wedding where Jeff was helping me with lighting. I shot most of the wedding natural light because the light was beautiful. I used the flash when I needed to create something unique. But the light was beautiful outside. Why not? It goes much faster, much easier. You just dial, you just don't blow up stuff, and make it easy to photograph. But the possibilities, what I want to get through with you is like, you have to be thinking what is possible on this location instead of looking at it and saying, all right, this is what I have, and this is how I'm going to shoot this, because this is what's going to separate you from other photographers. What's going to make you unique is the way that you shoot, the way you compose, the way you light.